when you try to convince people of something, you might challenge a particular aspect of their self-opinion. Now, we must be careful about this. If we are trying to influence someone, and if we challenge their self-opinion, they will never be influenced by us. It will make them even more defensive and resistant. An example. You have two people. One person is trying to convince the other person to become a vegan. I think you guys know a vegan is a person who does not eat any animal products. So you're trying to convince this person, you should become a vegan. Now, if you're doing this, you're trying to influence them, and they have their own self-opinion, by doing this, here's an example of challenging their self-opinion and making them more defensive and resistant. By telling them that they need to change their diet. You're trying to convince them, you're trying to make them do something. Remember that the first part of our self-opinion is that we are autonomous. We control our life, we make our own decisions. By trying to convince somebody to do something, they feel that they are not the one who is making the decision. That breaks that first rule. By telling them that eating animals is unhealthy and that they are making a bad decision, it makes them feel stupid or brainwashed. For many years they have been eating meat. And so you make them feel that they are not intelligent. They have made intelligent decisions their whole life about what kind of food is good for them and what kind of food is healthy and what they should eat and what they shouldn't. Again, by trying to convince them, they feel they are not intelligent, that you are making them feel that they have made so many bad decisions, so many stupid decisions. And then the final one is that they believe they're a good person. By telling them that if they eat animals, they're killing animals and it's bad for the environment and they're harming other animals, you're trying to make them feel that they are a bad person. All of this violates their self-opinion. And they would never, or it's very difficult for them, even if they feel like they should, they will become more defensive. They will definitely not be influenced by you, no matter how logical your argument is. Melanie.
就是有时候当我们想要说服其他人的时候，可能还会有反作用，就是他们会更加具有防备心理。就是举个例子，就是你试图说服一个素食主义者的朋友，建议他改变他的饮食，然后呢，就是你可能会很逻辑性的跟他解释各种原因，但是他会觉得你是在给他洗脑，因为在前面的个人想法里面 self-opinion 它是第一个 rules， 就是他觉得他是为自己做决定的，所以如果你试图说服他改变饮食，那他觉得他没有给自己做决定，然后就break 就打破了这个他的第一条规矩。然后呢，当他觉得他打破了自己这个规矩，然后他觉得吃动物是很残忍的，然后这就代表如果他听你的，他被洗脑了，他就是很傻的，然后他就觉得他是做了错误的决定，然后并且改变了自己的个人想法，被人操控，所以他就会变得更防备，具有防备心理，而不是听你的想法。不管你说的有多么逻辑性或者有道理。 OK。
Okay. Thank you, Melanie.